Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this digital caliper set. Now this is really great. I do a lot of woodworking, and having a good quality piece is absolutely fantastic. I've already been using this one a little bit, so it doesn't have any of the wrapping on it, but I wanted to show you how it came. Nice hard shell container, and inside you do get the instruction guide, this little measuring device here, and then you have your actual main unit. Now, this is great for a couple reasons. One, this feels really good quality, and two, it doesn't use any kind of batteries. It is actually a lithium pack battery that is charged up and rechargeable. This is the 6-inch variant. Now, it does come in an 8 and a 12-inch length, so if you're needing a longer one, they do provide those. This one here is the 6. But to turn this on, real simple, just turn this on. It's ready to rock and roll. If you do need to adjust it because it didn't quite get set exactly how you wanted it to, ramming it up there, you can zero it out. So I'm liking the fact that it can zero itself out, and it is so fluid. So when you move this thing to open this teeth up here, it measures, this is based in millimeters here, how simple that is. If you're an inch person and want to do it by inches, it does do it by inches, and it even does it by fractional inches. So if you are moving this out here, you can do 1 and 9/64. That's exactly what it is in inches. Whenever you get where you're wanting to be, twist this little knob on top, locks it in place, then it's not going to roll around on you and change. So that's nice. It also can measure the spread of items as well. And then to simply loosen this up and close it back, roll it back up there. And it's really good. It's accurate. I mean, I've messed with it trying to see how accurate it was, sliding it out here real quick to see where it goes, and it measures everything really great. Let's test it out here. I mean, there's 3 inches, right? It can actually go to 128, 123rd, 128. I mean, it measures everything like down to an absolute decimal point on this thing. More fraction than I'm ever going to need in my day. But really nice quality, excellent build on the entire thing. It's all metal. The only downside, it's a little bit heavy, but it kind of exudes that quality, you know, of product of that, which is great. Another neat feature on here, check this out. Bam, you've got it backlit too. So you can, if you're in the dark, needing to see it, you can easily do that with the backlight. That's really nice. So I think this is a really great quality product. It's going to work great if I'm trying to get the edges of like bowls that I'm trying to turn on the lathe, or work well if I'm building like some really nice picture frames and want to get those angles just right. Fantastic product. Thank you guys again for sending it.